For many people, the ultimate dream is to earn money while they sleep, and it's not as difficult as you may believe. Passive income can be produced in a variety of ways, allowing you to earn money while you're resting, spending time with family, traveling, or engaging in a pastime. In this video, I'll be sharing with you the top 5 realistic ways to earn money while you sleep. Don't forget to like and subscribe to this channel for more intriguing videos like this, and be sure to watch this video to the end. Without further ado, let's dive into it. Number 5. Invest in the stock market. You've likely heard the phrase, "It takes money to make money." Indeed, having some money makes it easier to get more. A wonderful way to passively make money long-term is to invest. When people think of investments, they often think of the stock market. When you start investing money in stocks that are considered safe, no stock is 100% guaranteed to make you money. You typically end up with a profit for doing nothing, but letting the asset increase in value. That's why the stock market is one of the best investments for young adults. A diversified, low-cost portfolio held across long periods can easily result in making money while you sleep. Number 4. Invest in real estate. Investment in real estate is another well-liked strategy for producing passive income. There are several ways to make real estate investments. One choice is to purchase a home for rental income and rent it out on your own. Having a rental property can be a great way to make money and accumulate wealth, but it does need more work than some of the other options. Investing in a real estate crowdfunding website like Fundrise is an additional choice. With the help of this kind of platform, you may pool your funds with those of other investors and invest in a wide range of real estate projects. Compared to traditional real estate investing, real estate crowdfunding platforms often have lower minimum investment requirements. Likewise, managing the property or dealing with tenants won't be your duty as an investor, making it passive revenue. Number 3. Create an online course. You can make money by creating an online course and selling it if you are an expert in a particular field. Courses can be created once and then sold repeatedly, much like other digital products. Although developing a digital course needs labor up front, once it is done, you may make money off of it indefinitely. Additionally, you can repeat the procedure with other courses to increase your earning potential. Almost any topic can be the subject of a course. Consider the subjects you are already knowledgeable about and come up with possible topics for classes. To make a successful course, you don't have to be the foremost authority on the subject in the world. Based on their interests, several people have developed lucrative courses. Number 2. Start a YouTube channel, one of the most well-known websites on the planet. YouTube also offers a fantastic way to monetize your content. Any topic can be the subject of a video, and if you can amass a sizable audience, you can earn money from advertising, sponsorships, affiliate marketing, or the sale of your goods and services. Of course, there is preparation involved in beginning a YouTube channel. Before you start making a sizable income, you'll need to routinely produce videos and grow an audience. However, if you've established a profitable channel, it can make you money when you're sleeping or otherwise occupied. Your established channel will gain views all the time because people are constantly looking for video content. Except for the use of video material rather than textual content, it is quite similar to how a blog or specialized website earns passive revenue once it has gained traction. Number 1. Start a blog or niche website. The use of a blog or specialized website is one of the most well-liked methods for generating passive income. Of course, it takes time and work to launch a content-based website. However, if you are successful, passive income may one day be a possibility. Content-based websites can make money by selling digital goods, publishing sponsored content, running display advertisements, and using affiliate marketing, among other methods. For passive revenue, some monetization strategies perform better than others. For instance, monetizing a website with ads is often not the most lucrative option, but ads generate virtually entirely passive income. If generating passive revenue is your aim, hiring freelance writers and virtual assistants will allow you to outsource the majority of the labor required to manage the website. You'll have more time on your hands because someone else will be completing the work. which means you might be able to replicate the procedure on another website. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, hit the subscribe button, and turn on the notification bell to watch more videos like this. While you're here, click one of the 2 other videos on your screen to watch. See you later.